The Armstrong number is such kind of number. This number can use for the, suppose you have the number is the 153. Now if you cube of each and every one, suppose you are cubing of the 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube, you can get the result is same as the 153. So can anyone say what is the value of the 1 cube?
One.
1.
1 cube value is the 1. What is the value of 5 cube? 5 multiply 5
One.
multiply 5,
125.
125.
125. And what is the value of 3 cube?
27.
3 cube value is the 27. Yes. So what is the add? If you add this number, you can get the result is that same as the 153. So this is called the Armstrong number. So those number you have to cube individually and add this number, you can get the result is the same. This is called the Armstrong number. Now can anybody tell me how it is you have to implement in the C programming? I hope my question is clear. What is the Armstrong number? Please anybody reply.
Yes, sir.
So how we can write a C program using this concept? Any idea? Any
सर
concept in your mind?
सर 1 by 1 मतलब 153 है तो हम लास्ट से ऐसे करके मतलब पहले 3 लेंगे एंड 3
अच्छा
को 3
3
टाइम
लेंगे.
मतलब क्यूब करेंगे
हाँ.
एंड उसको एक वेरिएबल में स्टोर करेंगे फिर से और एक 5 को लेंगे उसको 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई मतलब इनटू करेंगे एंड
हाँ.
उसको भी एक वेरिएबल में प्लस ऐड करेंगे ऐसे करके हम चलते रहेंगे यार और एक वेरिएबल स्टोर करेंगे उसके अंदर इस सारे को ऐड कर देंगे.
So according to you, I just explain with you the program. I think you are absolutely right. I just explain with you. If there is some other number, suppose you just tell me any number which is not a Armstrong number. You just tell me another number or कोई number बोलो. Any number in your mind.
127. 127.
127. I know that 127 is not an Armstrong number. So if you use this particular formula, that means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 7 cube, you cannot get this result is the 127. If you try that this one, this is the 1 plus 2 to the power 3, that means the 8, and 7 to the power 3, that is 7 multiply 7 is 49, and 49 multiply 7. So I just use the calculator, that is the
343.
49 multiply
343.
7 is 343. Yes. So you can know that 343, if you add this number, that is not coming the 127. Yes or no? So this is called, this is not a
Yes,
Armstrong
sir.
number. This is not a Armstrong number, and this is called the Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Now how we can write a code? So I just try to write the C code with this. Please all of you open the compiler. So you just open the dev C++, and those who are the new one, I just requesting to them, just install the dev C++ into the web browser, and this is the 50 MB software. You just download it and you just click on OK and yes, and you can find this particular platform. You have to go for the file, new, and the source file. Yeah,
Sir,
basically
I am having some problem with the Dev C++, so can I use online compiler?
yeah, definitely you can use the dev C++. I just write you. There is the dev C++. This is there. You have the code blocks. You can use this one. Code blocks. You can use the Turbo C or Turbo C++. And you can use the online compiler. There is no problem. Okay. So here we have to discuss the first the Armstrong number. So what is the intermediate job of the Armstrong number? So we have to first use the just use the header file in this Armstrong number. So we have to write that hash include stdio.h. So this is the header file, and we have to use some you can use the int main or you can use the main also. Here we have to use the int main, which is nothing but this one. Now we have to explain the body of the int main. So here we have to choose that int integer equals to number, comma, this is the temp, and this is the we can use the another we can use the return r ret. I am just writing the ret, and you can use the whatever we can say the result also. So basically we can write the result value is initially 0, and we can use the another I compiler. So it is coming after that, but how this are the using at the very first आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर के लिए अगर दिमाग लगाओगे सबसे पहले क्या काम करना चाहिए, यूजर से एक वैल्यू लेना चाहिए, उसके बाद तो चेकिंग होगा. So first we have to check the number from the user. So you just write that printf, within that you can just write the enter the number. You just write the print within the printf, enter the number, and you just end with the semicolon, and you can use the scanf. And basically we have to use, you know that how can we store one number. This is the %d because this is a integer type of data, and comma you can use the ampersand, whatever we have to use. This is number, so you can use the ampersand num. Yeah, so here we have to end with this one. I think it is clear with all of you. We just insert line number 6 and line number 7. Here we have to insert just uh, the number from the user. I think there is any doubt in your mind, you can tell me.
No,
Please,
sir.
anyone? I think there is a simple one. So next we have to, whatever the number is stored, with this number we have to store finally into the some another location. Because of that, whenever we have to change this thing, whenever we have to manipulate this number or doing some arithmetical operation, maybe the same number can be changed. So we have to just use that temp. The temp is the temporary data storage. We have declared this thing, this is the temp. We have to write the temp equals to just number. So this is nothing but a we just copy the value from the user side, and we have to use that whenever it is working, while this number is a positive number, or we can say while this number is a any value greater than 0 value. So we can check that if the while this temp value is not equals to 0, not equals to 0. So after that we have to go for the main operation where we have to write the program. Here we have to first write the program is that we have to use the return ret. This thing equals to temp modulo temp modulo 10. So why we have to use this thing? अगर मान लो मेरा पास दिस लाइन का मतलब क्या है, temp. So temp is the value, this value is modulo with the 10. That means इसका रिमाइंडर मुझे चाहिए. रिमाइंडर मतलब in I just forget the Hindi language, that is the भागशेष, I don't know, that is the remainder. We require the remainder. So suppose the user give the 153. So if you divide it by 10, which value you get? Can anybody say? Suppose you have the 153 value. Now this 153 value is divided by 10, modulo by 10. तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? प्लीज एनीबॉडी रिप्लाई।
3.
सर।
3 आएगा।
3 सर, 3।
ओके, तो देखो हम लोगों के पास जो पहले ये जो था, आई विल जस्ट शेयर विथ यू। सो इफ दिस इज द 3 वैल्यू, इफ दिस इज द 3 वैल्यू, you can understand that this 3 value means ये 3 को 3 times multiply करना चाहिए, 3 क्यूब करना चाहिए, yes or no? I hope
Yes,
you
sir.
So we have to write that the next line, in the next line we have to write the result equals to, so we have to write the result equals to remainder RET multiply with the RET and the multiply with the RET. This is the 3 times it is multiply. So you can understand that we have to just cube the this number, 3 times multiply कर रहा है तो 3 times cubes हो रहा है, and we have to first then we have to use the temp equals to temp divided by 10. Why? हम लोग अगर 153 को 10 से मॉड्यूलो किया, so on that time we get the 3 value. Next time मुझे तो 5 का वैल्यू निकालना चाहिए, we require the 5 value. So how we can get the 5 value? For that reason we have to divide it by 10. So 10 का वैल्यू बदल देंगे. So 153 divided by 10, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन वैल्यू क्या आएगा? What is the question value? Please anybody reply. What is
15.
the 15 is the question value. So we can say so this is the new temp value. I am just writing here so you can remember that new temp value is we can say this is the 15. So again now the temp value whenever it is come back, now temp value is 15. So you can next time you can use the 15 modulo 10. That means on that time you can get the result is the remainder is the 5. So we have to again do it same thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can get the basic fundamental logic of this one. So now here we have to just a minute, I just doing one wrong thing, that is the we have to use there is the bracket, and this bracket will end with this one. Okay, and you have to remember that if this job operation is done, we can write that if अगर मेरा पास result value equals to this number value is coming or not, so we just use that. Yes, this result equals to, that means this value, this result value. So we just use this result equals to number equals to, that means that they are checking this one. And what is the number which is given by the user, which is given by that the very first from the user. So we have to check this thing. So result equals to number. If this is true, so we have to just printf, we just printf within bracket the number is Armstrong number. We can printf the number is Armstrong number, Armstrong number. If this is not done, that means in the else part, you can remember this is the else part. If this is not done, on that time we just use the printf, and this is the basically we have to write the just opposite of this one. The number is not a Armstrong number, the number is not a Armstrong number, not Armstrong number. And end of this one we just use the return 0, because we have to use the basically integer type of main, that's why we have to use this thing, and we just end with the bracket. So I hope you understand that this program is done. So here we have to, I just show you the complete code with you. So this is the complete code where we have to just check and try to run. How we can run? First save this number. I'm just writing the Armstrong for the remember purpose, and just save in anywhere you required. So I just execute, go to execute, compile and run. Yeah, you can see that written plus there is some problem is there. So you can go for the written result equals to, अच्छा चलो result equals to this one. So we have to write this thing something like that. We can use that result equals to this one, and we can use that इसको result नहीं, result के बदले you can write this is the I.
Spelling, sir, spelling of return. Last 23rd line.
Yes, yes,
Spelling, sir, spelling of return.
written spelling RETURN. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, definitely. So I hope it is working. If it is not, I am just changing this one or two line. There is something problem. I have to use the semicolon. Yes. Okay. Now I just check it if there is any kind of execute, compile and run. Yes, they are telling there is the problem. So line number 20, printf, printf. Yes, we just use the number is the Armstrong number.
Oh, P is capital, I think so.
Okay, okay, yes, yes, yes. These are the silly mistake I have done. So I just execute, compile and run. So you can see here, if I am giving the 153, the same number with you, this is the Armstrong number. And if we are giving that execute, compile and run, if you are giving this number is the 120, कैसे दिया था 120, sorry, I can see it 127. So if this number is 127, you can see this is not a Armstrong number. I hope it is clear with all of you. So I am sure with the code and the output, so you can just use this thing. I hope it is clear with all of you. Yes or no? Please, all of you reply in the chat box. I can see that. Yeah, the class should be the two-way. Yes, Tushar, you can write the yes result equals to result plus this thing. That is also you can use. I'm just writing this thing. You can use that this way. This is also the in this way you can write that result equals to uh, we can write the result equals to result plus yes. I just copy this thing. I just copy this thing with you. You can use something like that. That is also executable. And for the coding purpose, you just remember that there is the each and every printf and scanf which end with the semicolon, and only if and else line that is not used for the semicolon. Basically, any while loop and any kind of if and else condition. So I think it is clear with all of you. I just see the few of them can reply. Just one or two of them just reply. Please, all of you reply. I can see there is the 45%. Divya once again. Okay. Definitely, I have to again. First we have to know that what about the others? Please reply yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. You can use the chat box also. I will just repeat again because someone can say that once again, Aditya and Divya. So I just repeat it. Basically, if you consider for this kind of expression, this kind of Armstrong number, you have to first clear about what is the Armstrong number. So what is the Armstrong number? Armstrong number is nothing but a any number which number cube करेंगे. If you cube this number and add this number, you can get the same result. So you can understand that at the very first point, line number 6 and the line number 7, here we have to use that just enter the two number. Here we have to just taking the value from the user. Okay, and after that, whatever the value is stored into the num, we have to copy this number to this temp. Why we have to copy this number? Because of that, there is basically two reason. First is nothing but a we have to use this thing just copy to the temp. So if you have any updation, if you have any division or anything, so you can just back up this number, actual number, what is user given. And next we have to check in the line number 9 that while this temp value, that is the temporary where we have to store the data, the number value in the previously, this value should not be 0. It should be some positive number so that we can check for that. The next we have to discuss for the return equals to RET equals to temp divided by 100 modulo by 100. Only and only for here we have to identify the remainder. अगर सबको individually निकालना है, so you can identify this 3, this 5. After that it will come 1 this way. If individual one is coming, we have to just multiply with the individual one. That is the 3 time multiplication. That means that is the cube. If someone says it is a square, you just use the 2 time. And after that you can use this thing is a temp equals to temp divided by 10 to reduce the number from the actual number. So the temp value is updated. Now initially the temp value is the 153. After the first step, if this is over, you can see the temp value is coming as a 15. After the second step, its value is coming as a 1. So you can understand that this value is coming as a 10. So you can understand that this situation is going on. And the last step, we have to check this number is equals the previous one or not. So whatever the result is coming, this result is same as the user given number or not, whatever user are given in this part. So we have to check for this one. If this is same, double equals means this is the checking purpose, single equals means that is the insertion purpose. So that means you have to say that if this is equals, this is the Armstrong number. If this is not equal, we can say this is not an Armstrong number.